If you hear this annoying sound from your disc brakes, probably your calipers are not centered. In this video, I'll show you a quick and easy way to fix this. But first, let's see from the side what's causing this sound. You see on the right side there's a gap, and on the left side the disc is too close to the calipers. So method 1 is loosen the two bolts using a 4mm Allen key. Press and hold the brakes and then tighten the bolts back. This will center the calipers and hopefully the sound will go away. So it did not go away. So let's go to the method number 2. Take a piece of paper, fold it into half like this and slide it over the top of the discs so that it just goes between the calipers like so. After that, hold the brakes again and tighten the screws back, and this should fix the problem. Now remove the paper and here you go. The calipers are perfectly centered. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.